Guess what time it is? It is time for our Tara's must-have, our latest and greatest brand new item that we are introducing to all of you today. Super excited about that. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's a product that I have curated, a collection in some cases that I have curated for all of you that is pretty and practical and purposeful. We like to talk about the 3 P's around here. And this one, for sure, is all of the above. You know, when you see this headband, it is time to talk about Star Stitch because Lisa's here, Joe's here, Ed's here, and we are super excited to share with you our latest and greatest must-have, something you have never seen on temp-tations.com, something that's seasonal, something that we only bring in this time of the year, and once it is gone until this time next year. So what are we talking about? We are talking about our Star Stitch collection. So we had a Tara's must-have in our Star Stitch collection about a couple of weeks ago. Super duper popular, and we heard from all of you that you really wanted to see more pieces. Joy gathers in the house. Like we always tell you, our home office loves to pop on, loves to say hi to you. So everybody give some love. I see you. She knows what I'm talking about. Marianne Shumbo, good to see you, my friend. I miss you so terribly much. Mary Jo, good to see you. Megan, jumping on. Hey. All right, so we're talking about our Tara's must-have. We're talking about when you see this headband, and you're going to see Ed's, and you're going to see Lisa's, you know it is time to chat up Star Stitch. So our Tara's must-have, available exclusively only at temp-tations.com. So you're going to want to pop over there and check it out. For less than $19, you can get this must-have home. I see you. I adore you. Hey, Carrie, good to see you. Jen Botts is in the house. Your hat looks so cute. Thanks, Amanda. Good to see you. Hey, Kali and Nicole. Gosh, the whole gang is here. I love this about y'all. We send out an email. We give you a little sneak peek. We tell you to tune in at 7 o'clock because it's here. All right, so let's talk about our Star Stitch collection. So this is our Tara at Home collection in Star Stitch. It's got beautiful embossing, glass glazes that bring the pattern to life, and you have the adorable red, white, and blue polka dots, nice oversized handle, 18 ounces in capacity, all individually hand painted no matter which way you're looking at it. But we didn't just stop there, 18 ounces. We also give you what we call our Lid It. This is a lid for on top of that mug, so everything's gonna stay warmer longer. Everything's gonna stay protected, but it also works as a coaster. Mind blown, I know, brilliant, right? So you can put your tea bag, you can put your spoon, your lemons, whatever you wanna do, but this is our Star Stitch mug. So here's the deal. All of our must-haves are a limited time only, whether it's a pricing, whether it's a time period. So tonight, this is available. You can get it at home. $12.95 for the mug. You can get it home for less than $19. And here's the deal. Since we debuted this, since we rolled out our email earlier today, wow, this has been popular, and almost probably 3 out of 4 of you are picking up more than one mug. So I want to talk about the entire collection. It's all available over at temp-tations.com. I got to say hi to everybody. Hey, Hetty. Hetty in New York. Hope you're staying safe, my friends. Jen Botts is saying hi. Sherry just jumped on. Oh, she says I look adorable. It's the bomb lighting Lisa got for me. I can't take any credit for it. Alicia is here. Good to see you. I was able to finish my collection. So what do we have available over at temp-tations.com? Well, we have our Tara's must-have. The price will go up on Thursday at 7 p.m. So for the next 48 hours, enjoy this incredible deal on our Tara's must-have, on our Star Stitch mug, 18 ounce in total capacity, getting it home to your house delivered, ding dong, present is here for under $19, and that's what makes it a Tara's must-have. It's an exclusive pattern, it's an exclusive piece you've never seen before on temp-tations.com, and it's delivering directly to your home. Hetty, you think this hat's cute on my bald head? Wait till you see Ed's Minnie Mouse ears. Oh yeah, stay tuned for that. If for nothing else, we wanted to, again, give you a little break from all the news, give you a little peek into what we're doing this evening. As many of you know, Lisa and the gang, we live 6 houses apart from each other, so we've basically been quarantined together. So we've been trying to come up with great ideas, things to give you to look forward to spend time with all of us. And so let's talk about our collection, which is amazing. By the way, anything that you're purchasing from temp-tations.com in our entire month of gratitude, we are including one of our sweet dips. So we have 3 different flavors. It'll be random. We have our Razzie Raspberry, we have our Cozy Cappuccino, and we have our Creamy Coconut. There's no selection. It just gets thrown in. It's a sweet surprise. And again, it's our gift to you in this month of gratitude. So let's also talk about the Star Stitch collection. What else is available? Lisa, I'm going to turn this around. I know you want to hit the lights, and I want to show you a little sneak peek about how we're spending our evening this evening. Starting with something that Lisa did, which I thought was so brilliant. So a lot of us are trying to come up with things that we have in our house so we don't have to go to the grocery store. And Lisa made a homemade from scratch, I know, mac and cheese, but notice she didn't have any noodles. And she said, that's all right, Tara. You know what? I'm just going to throw some pasta in there. So we actually made a pasta mac and cheese. How great is that? Turn your phone to landscape. Just a quick tip to turn your phone to landscape. Why? Then I'm sideways. Oh, there you go. Just kidding. Okay, so this is actually available on our website at $29.95 for the 13x9 baker. And then notice the unlimited lid is also available, $19.95 for that unlimited lid. What's that? It's a cookie sheet, it's a cutting board, it's a serving tray, it's a trivet for underneath the baker, it's a lid for on top of the baker. Yeah, you get it. So what are we eating tonight? Mac and cheese and some chicken thighs. Lisa said yum. What's Ed eating tonight? Well, of course, good friends always come to the rescue. We're having some salad, and we made some delicious, beautiful garden burgers. Those ramekins are also available. They're also on temp-tations.com for $19.95 for both of them, and they come with the snap-on see-through storage cover. Have you been noticing also the crock that Lisa so brilliantly put some cute little lights in? Oh, by the way, Joe's here. How you doing? Hello, Edward. We promised. Hetty was very excited to see what it was that you were wearing on your head. And Lisa, everyone's excited. Tip your head down, my friend. She is all about it. Love, love, love that. All right, so in our utensil crock, we actually did a cute little centerpiece that you see here. Oh, Carrie said her mother always made mac and cheese with spaghetti. It's a family favorite. I love that.
I love that.
That's
too.
awesome. All right, so the utensil crock is available, and it comes with 5 tools. We're showing you 4 here, but the 5th one is getting ready in that pasta spaghetti mac and cheese that Lisa made. Look how delicious that looks. So what I love about that is she cooked it, then she baked it off in the oven. Ed, where are you going? Oh, he's coming. He's coming back. Joe needs a hat. Hetty said Joe needs a hat. So we only had 3. He was pretty disappointed, but he actually said, you know what, I'm going to take one for the team, and don't worry about it. The next time, he will definitely be doing something festive. Don't you worry. All right, so we showed you all of the different pieces that are available. Do you know if you picked up the entire collection?
But did you see my ears again?
Ed said, you know, he doesn't have to worry about the haircut. It doesn't really matter for him.
Nothing ruins my hair.
That's right. Nothing. Your hair always looks great.
Oh.
So everybody's loving the must-have. Love that you're picking up more than one. Lisa said we are incredibly busy, so thank you so much for all of that. Check it out over on temp-tations.com. The entire collection, if you were to pick up the entire thing, the 13x9 baker, the unlimited lid, the utensil crock with the 5 utensils, a mug, the ramekins. It's $120 for the entire patriotic collection. And here's the scoop on that. We only offer it this time of the year. It's a seasonal pattern for us. What we bring in is all we bring in. I know you guys look forward to it. So we were super excited tonight to have our Tara's Must-Have be our nice oversized 18-ounce mug with that great handle, the patriotic detail, all individually hand-painted, and the lid for on top, which helps it keep warm. What's going on? You're not in the picture. Are you making fun of me?
I'm not.
What are you doing?
Even when I don't do anything,
Aww.
I get in trouble.
Well, they said we
do
look
anything.
cute.
Of course. Well.
Of course.
Of course we look cute.
There he is. All right, so we are super duper busy, super duper excited. Thank you guys so much.
Hey, Tara.
Yes, here she comes. Bennett. Yes, Lisa, may I turn it around?
Of course you can.
Ed, you look like a patriotic Minnie Mouse. Thank you, Linda Lou. I agree. Yes, Miss Lisa?
I have to recover from that first.
Yes.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Over 225 already sold.
Woo! Wow.
Miss
That is amazing, just from the quick couple of minutes that we've been sharing and talking to all of you. And what I do know about that is many of you are picking up other pieces in our collection, and that's very smart. This is something we do exclusively for temp-tations.com. This is our Tara's must-have. Head on over there and check it out. Literally, you're getting this mug for $12.95. You're getting it home for under $20, which is great. And then many of you are also adding in your ramekins. Some of you are adding in the crock and the tools. So and can I just show you the tools real quick? Because I kind of sped by them. Are those cakes in the mugs? I got to show you that too. That's something really fun. We actually did silicone handled stainless steel tools. So again, you never have to worry if you're taking them out to the barbecue. They'll be just perfect. So remember, you're going to get your spatula, you're going to get your closed spoon, your fork, your slotted spoon, and then the Mac Daddy of the daddy. We got the pasta fork that you see right there in that I cannot wait to eat this mac and cheese that Lisa made with the pasta. So real quick, in the month of gratitude, we are also going to, every package that we ship out on temp-tations.com will include one of our sweet dips. And we have 3 amazing flavors. They're super duper easy to make, and they're something that you can have on hand. By the way, the calorie content before you add any extras is between 15 calories to 35 calories. So that's what's amazing about that. How do I order the mug? Kathy, great question. We're probably dropping the link in here, but just in case we're not, head on over to temp-tations.com and you'll see the entire Star Stitch collection. You'll see our latest and greatest Tara's must-have, and you'll be able to shop for, of course, your mug. We know many of you are picking up 2. Many of you, Lisa's telling us, are picking up 4. Oh, walk with me. Great question. Yes, Lisa?
Yeah, because so 18 ounces, one of the biggest mugs we've ever done. Is it the biggest?
It's not the biggest, but it's close.
It's close
We do
to
have a
it.
20 ouncer.
So a lot of people are asking, will it fit under the Keurig?
Will it fit under the Keurig? What a great question. Absolutely perfect to do that. And then, of course, you can adjust, depending on which Keurig you have, how much you want to put in there. But easily, That's fantastic. And by the way, I use it all the time. Thank you all for the enlightened. Oh, Nicole, you know what? It's interesting, right? We want so desperately to spend time with all of you. We miss all of you. We never want to intrude, but we hope that we offer you a break. Even if you don't, maybe Star Stitch isn't for you, but you just want to come and hang with us and spend time with us. That's what our community is all about. This mission for me and for all of us that you see here, the home office that's on, Lisa and Joe, Ed, my mom, it has always been about slowing everything down and getting everybody back around the table. And I think we're all faced with Passover and Easter, where we're not going to be able to be with our families, and we're not going to be able to be. It's our new normal for right now. So if we can add a smile, if we can inject some gratitude, this isn't forever, and we're all in the same boat. So from our family to your family, we love you, we're with you, and we know that you're with all of us as well.
It's beyond beautiful to see. We're getting so many pictures and stories of people setting their tables this week and how special this week is in all our lives, whether you're celebrating Passover, Easter, whatever it might be, how normally the real norm is to have everybody gather together. This, in our way, is so special that we, in the midst of all of this, still have an ability for us to be together in some form. And thank you from the bottom of our hearts, all of you. Let's stay strong. Let's stay with our hearts firm. We are going to get to tomorrow.
And we are all better together, my friends.
Yes.
So from our family, Joe and Lisa, Ed and myself, my mom, the whole home office, all of Temp-Tations, we love you. We are with you. We hope we brought a smile to your face with our latest and greatest Tara's must-have.
How could this not bring us?
Well, true story. I mean, Ed is our secret weapon. Oh, and we're waving goodbye. All right, everybody. Have a great evening. Thanks for popping on. We're going to get to eating some chicken, some pasta mac and cheese, and Lisa made a cake. I mean, she outdid herself.
Some belly music.
All right, so check in tomorrow on Instagram. Lisa and I are going to do our little chat. I don't know. Everything could go wrong. So, I mean, I would just pop on just for that. Come join us over at Instagram if you haven't already. Come sign up for our email, because we send out newsletters and sneak peeks.
Hey,
and
you never
Lisa,
know what we'll be wearing.
is there anything you want to say?
No, but, just one question.
Yeah.
One question.
Great question.
Star Stitch.
Yes.
Is or is not available?
Star Stitch is not available all year. It is something that we do seasonally, and it's something that we bring into temp-tations.com for all of you. So goodbye, happy Easter to everyone, happy Passover for those of you who are celebrating. Michelle Barbicane, happy Easter, my friend. Good to see you here. Hopefully we provided a few laughs, a few fun things along the way. And we're gonna get to eating some chicken, some pasta mac and cheese, and literally whatever we had in the freezer, because that's just the way it is these days, my friends. All right, thanks for spending some time with us. Take care, bye.